Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. MDCAT test held on 26 October, 10 a.m. 50 biology most important MCQs with correct answer. Today we will discuss most important that you can remember in 2 days, because now today is 24 October and 26 is 10 a.m. is your test. So these 50 most important biology MCQs you remember must main concepts. Question 1 is that the powerhouse of the cell is mitochondria is the correct answer. Question number 2, the functional unit of kidney is nephron. Question 3, the site of protein synthesis is correct answer is ribosome. Question number 4, the green pigment in plant is chlorophyll. The process by which green plants make food is called photosynthesis is the correct answer. Question number 6. The genetic material in living organisms is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Question number 7. The organ that produces bile is called liver. Correct answer. The enzyme that breaks starch into maltose is amylase. Correct answer. The fluid part of blood is called plasma is the correct answer of this question. Question number 10. The largest part of human brain is cerebrum is the largest part of human brain. The process of division forming identical cell is called mitosis. Question number 12. The hormone that controls blood sugar is called insulin. The site of gaseous exchange is in lungs is alveoli is the correct answer. The process by which plants lose water vapor is called transpiration is the correct answer. The smallest unit of life is called the cell is the correct answer. The cell organelle responsible for photosynthesis is the chloroplast is the correct answer. Question number 17. The blood cells responsible for defense are white blood cells. The tissue that transports water in plants is called xylem tissue. The element required for making hemoglobin is iron is the correct answer of this question. The universal donor blood group is O negative. The universal recipient blood group is EB positive is the correct answer. The process by which mRNA, messenger RNA, is formed from DNA is called transcription is the correct answer of this question. The process of protein synthesis from messenger RNA, mRNA, is the process is called translation. The cell division that forms gamete is called meiosis. The correct answer of this question. Question number 25 is that the male gamete in animal is called sperm. The female gamete in animal is called the ovum is the correct answer. Question number 27. The fusion of male and female gamete is called, the process is called fertilization. The normal human blood pH temperature is, the normal human body temperature of is 37 centigrade at room temperature. The structural and functional unit of nervous system is neurons. The type of respiration without oxygen is called anaerobic respiration, and the type of respiration in the presence of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. The process of maintaining internal balance is called homeostasis. The outermost layer of the plant cell is called the cell wall. The outermost layer of an animal cell is called the cell membrane. The chromosome number in human body cells is 46. These are the normal and most important questions and most important concepts of biology in FSC pre-medical. The pigment that gives red blood color to blood is the hemoglobin is the correct answer. The largest gland in the human body is liver. The gland that secretes insulin is called the pancreas. The hormone secreted by thyroid gland is called thyroxine. The enzyme that digests proteins in the stomach is pepsin is the correct answer. Most important MCQs. The organ that filters blood and forms urine is called kidney. The site of exchange of gases in leaves is the stomata. The part of flower that produces pollen is called anther. The female reproductive part of flower is called carpel. The process of transfer of pollen to stigma is called pollination. Question number 45. The process by which plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in photosynthesis is the correct answer. The main nitrogenous waste in human is urea. The main excretory organ in human is the kidney. The process of splitting glucose to release energy is called glycolysis. This process is called glycolysis. 49. The structural and functional unit of heredity is gene is the correct answer. And the 50 and the last question of this video, the process of water movement through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. These are the 50 most important MCQs and concepts of biology, FSC, pre-medical. If you like the video, share it with your friends that have test on the 26th of October, and also with your other friends and in WhatsApp group, because you help others, Allah might help you. Shukriya.